afternoon, children. Let us today know about the Indian players who are going to participate in Tokyo Olympics 2021 and with their inspirational story. So today's the first athlete is Tarundeep Roy, men's recurve, who is going to participate in archery. Tarundeep Roy is one of the famous sportsmen from the northeastern part of our country. He has made India proud on many occasions. The 23rd year old archer was born on 22nd February at Namchi, Sikkim. He comes from the family of noted sports personalities. That is, Indian football megastar Baichung Bhutia is one of his cousins. He took interest in archery since his childhood and soon tasted success in the national circuit. Let us know about the second participant, Atanu Das, men's recurve, in archery again. So Atanu Das is an Indian archer. He represents India in the recurve, men's individual and team events. The 29-year-old won his first ever individual World Cup gold medal and has set his sights on a podium finished at the Tokyo Olympics. Atanu is a promising Indian talent who started archery at the age of 14 under the coaching of Mithuda. In 2008, Atanu moved to Tata Archery Academy, where he was trained under the Korean coach called Lim Chae-ong. His current world ranking in archery is 17. Next, we are going to learn about the athlete called Pravin Jadhav. He is participating in men's recurve in archery. He started archery with bamboo stick children. The 2019 World Championship men's team recurve silver medalist started as an 800-meter sprinter when he was young. However, Jadhav suffered from gross malnourishment and switched to archery. Jadhav was born in a family of daily wage laborers and lived with his joint family in a shack near a drain in Maharashtra's Satara district. His school teacher helped him out with his training and kit expenses as he kept his fight against poverty alive. Next, we are going to learn about the archeress Deepika Kumari, women's recurve, and she is the Indian professional archeress currently ranked the world number 1 in archery. At just 27 years of age, Deepika Kumari has made India and women everywhere proud with her astounding achievements in the field of archery. Always a winner, Padma Shri winner, Deepika has previously bagged gold medals at the Commonwealth Games and the 2013 Archery World Cup as well. Deepika was born in Ratu, a tiny town 15 kilometers from Ranchi. Her first coach, B. Srinivas Rao, also talked about how she and her parents travelled 130 kilometers on a scooter to take her to a free training academy at Serekela, Jharkhand. So children, how the athletes come from the small family and they achieved in the sports. You can learn by this inspirational story of these 4 athletes. So children, now let us all together join and cheer for India. So how to apply for cheer for India? Go to Google. So you type the name how to apply for cheer for India and you cheer for India. Now let us start our session with comparing the fractions. In last class, we have learned how to reduce the fractions into lowest term. Today's class, we are going to compare the fractions, that is, unlike fractions and like fractions. So here, in like fractions, we know that the greater the numerator, the greater will be the value of the fractional numbers. In like fractions, the denominators will be same. So, as numerator is greater, greater will be the value. Here you can see, for example, 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. In this, which is greater means numerator are same. Compare the Denominators are same. Compare the numerators. So here, which is the numerator? 3 and 1. 3 is big or 1 is big, children? Yes, 3 is big. So 3 by 5 is a greater than 1 by 5. As greater the numerator, greater will be the value. Here, for example, 9 by 18 and 11 by 18. Here we have two denominators as 18, same numbers. So now compare the numerators. So 9 and 11, which is greater? 11 is greater. So 11 by 18 is greater than 9 by 18. But in the case of unlike fractions with same numerators, in unlike fractions we have two conditions. One is same numerator and same different numerator and different denominator. First we are going to learn in unlike fractions the same numerator. So what is the value? With the same numerator, greater the denominator, ulta, that is opposite. The smaller will be the value of the fractional number. Once again I will repeat, children. With the same numerator, greater the denominator, the smaller will be the value of the fractional number. For example, 3 by 10, 3 by 8. First condition is same numerator. Okay, children. Next, compare the denominators. Which is bigger? 10 is the bigger. So, if 10 is the bigger, that fraction will be the smaller. So, 3 by 10 is smaller than 3 by 8. 3 by 10 is the smaller than 3 by 8. Next, for example, 4 by 12, 4 by 15. Now children, the numerator are same in the case of first type. Okay. Next, see the denominators. Which is the greater one? 15 is the greater one. As 15 is the greater one, this will be having the smaller value. So 4 by 12 is greater than 4 by 15. Next, let us compare the unlike fraction. We have two methods. In that first method, by taking the LCM. This is very, very important, children. Learn the concept carefully. Listen carefully first. First, how to compare the unlike fractions, where we have different denominators and different numerators. How to compare? So, only there is a possible of comparison whether it is having a same numerator or same denominator. That you learnt in the above examples. Is it right, children? Yes. One condition is whether you should have same numerator or same denominator. Then only you can compare. But here we have different numerator and different denominators. So how to compare, miss? Nothing. It's very easy. First you have to convert into like fractions, because we got unlike fractions. What you have to do? You have to convert into like fraction, then you can compare. So now what we have to do? Let us take 3 by 4 and 5 by 8. You can see here different denominators, different numerators. So first method is by taking LCM, that is least common multiple. So when we take a least common multiple, we have to consider only the denominators, not the numerator, children. That you have to keep it in your mind. We have to compare, we have to take the LCM of only denominators. So now I am going to apply the LCM method. 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 is divisible by 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 and 4 is again divisible by 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 1 remains the same. Now 2 is divisible by 2 table itself. 1 remains the same. 2 1s are 2. So what are the multiples? 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So LCM of 4 and 8 is 8 itself. Okay, children. Now, so take the first fraction 3 by 4. So we have to convert into like fraction. Is it right, children? So we got LCM as 8. So you have to convert the denominator into 8. What you will do? So what you have to multiply by 4 to make 8? Yes. 4 2s are 8. So whatever you multiply or divide, you should apply same thing to the numerator and denominator. So here, to make it 4 as 8, we have to multiply by 2. So numerator also 2. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Take the second fraction, 5 by 8. So here we have LCM also 8, the denominator also 8 itself. So what we have to multiply? 8 ones are 8, 5 ones are 5. Now we compare the, see, we got the like fractions, isn't it? Where the denominators are same. See how we started? We started with the unlike fraction. We convert into like fraction. So now you can compare because denominators are same. Compare the numerators. So 6 is greater than 5. So 6 by 8 will be greater than 5 by 8. Is it right, children? I hope you have understood this concept. So next method of comparing the fraction is quick method. That is what it is called as crisscross method or cross multiplication. So here compare 7 by 3 and 5 by 2. You can see different numerator, different denominator, unlike fraction. Then how to convert? So you have to convert by crisscross method or cross multiplication method. Now 7 by 3, 5 by 2. So now start cross multiplying, children. You have to cross multiply. Now 2 sevens are, write 14 above 7. Next 3 fives are 15, write 15 above 5. So here you can easily compare. 14 is greater or 15 is greater? 15 is greater. Is it right, children? So 15 is greater means which fraction is greater? 5 by 2 is greater. So here we have 7 by 3 is less than 5 by 2, or 5 by 2 is greater than 7 by 3 because 14 is less than 15. Now compare the fractions by crisscross method or cross multiplication method. Now they have given, you have to solve by cross multiplication. So I'll write first 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So start with cross multiplication. Now 4 ones are 4. Write this 4 above 1. 2 ones are 2. Write this 2 above 1. Now which is greater? 4 is greater or 2 is greater? Yes, 4 is greater. So automatically 1 by 2 will be greater than 1 by 4. Is it right, children? Because you can write because 4 is greater than 2. Next 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So first cross multiply it. Now cross the denominator with the numerator and this denominator into numerator. Now cross multiply. Now write the product. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. Which is greater, children? 12 or 15? 15 is greater. So automatically which fraction will be greater? So now 3 by 5 is less than 3 by 4. Or you can write 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 5. Because 12 is less than 15. Isn't easy, children? Yes, it's very easy. Only 3 steps. Only 2-step calculation, not 3 steps also. So now 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. So here cross multiply the denominator with numerator. Now multiply 7 3s are 21. 5 3s are 15. Now tell me 21 is greater or 15 is greater? Yes, children, 21 is greater. Then automatically which fraction will be greater? 3 by 5 will be greater than 3 by 7. Now because you can write the why it is greater, because 21 is greater than 15. Next 11 by 18 and 1 by 7. 11 by 18 and 1 by 6. Now cross multiply it. Now you can do the multiplication. 6 11s are 66. 18 ones are 18. Now which is greater, 66 or 18? Yes, 66 is greater than 18. So automatically 11 by 18 is greater than 1 by 6 because 66 is greater than 18. Now children, take these two sums as your assignment and solve by your own in your CW itself, because when you try of your own you learn more. Now compare the fractions by taking the LCM. So now first we will take the LCM of only denominators, children, that is 2 and 3 is. So you can find the LCM 2, 3. Okay children, 2 and 3 doesn't come in the same table, so you can divide by 2 first. So 2, how many are 2? 2 ones are 2. 3 doesn't get divided, so write 3 same as it is. Now 3 can be divided by 3 tables. So 1, 1. So what is the LCM now? 2 3s are 6. Now take the first LCM, 7 by 2. So 7 by 2. So now you have to make it like fraction, that is the denominator as 6. So if you want to make the denominator 6, what should be multiplied with 2? Yes, 2 3s are 6. You all know 2 3s are 6. So multiply the numerator by 3 by 3. Now 7 3s are 21. 2 3s are 6. So now 5 by 3. Take 5 by 3. Now convert the denominator into LCM. That is 3. How many are 6 children? Yes. 3 2s are 6. So now multiply the numerator. 5 2s are 10. 3 2s are 6. Now you can see children, these two are like fraction. Now you can convert into, now you can compare the fractions. First we have taken the unlike fractions. We have converted into like fraction. Then we can compare the fractions. Now we compare the like fraction. That is 22 by 6. That is 21 by 6 is greater than 10 by 6. Now you can compare, because denominators are same. Compare the numerator children. So you can easily compare. 21 by 6 is greater than 10 by 6. That means 7 by 2 is greater than 5 by 3. Is it right children? So one more sum I'll solve for you. So here first you have to find the denominators of LCM. Sorry, LCM for the denominators. So LCM of 6 and 4 is, so we can apply the LCM method, 6 and 4. So both are divisible by 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 3 and 2 doesn't come in same table, so take 2 first. 3 remains the same. 2 1s are 2. Next 3 table, 3 1s are 3 and 1. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM here? 12. LCM is 12. Now children, take the first fraction 5 by 6. How to make the denominator 12? Already 6 is there. You have to convert into 12. So 6, how many are 12? 6 2s are 12. So divide numerator and denominator by 2. 5. Multiply the numerator. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. Now LCM is 12. So here denominator is also 12. Now take the second fraction, 3 by 4. Now children, 3 by 4. How you will convert 4 into 12? 4 how many are 12 children? 4 3s are. So multiply numerator and denominator by 3. Now 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Now you can see children, both are like terms or like fractions. Okay. Now you can easily compare. So now we compare the like fractions, that is 10 by 12 is greater than 9 by 12 because denominators are same. Compare the numerators. So 10 is greater than 9. We started with the unlike fraction. We converted into like fraction. Then we compared. Okay, children. Now, let us solve one more sum. So, first what you have to do? Find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 5 and 6 is 5 and 6. So, 5 and 6 doesn't come in same table. So, start with 5. 5 ones are 5. And 6 doesn't come in 5 table. So, keep it as it is same. Now, 6. 6 ones are 6 ones are. Now 5 6 are 30 is the LCM. Next, consider the first fraction 3 by 5. So children, now 5 is there in the denominator. You have to make it 30. So 5 how many are 30 children? Yes. 5 6 are 30. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 6. So now multiply denominator and numerator. So 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30. Next fraction is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 children. So here already 6 is there. LCM is 30. How you will convert 6 into 30? 6 how many are 30? 6 5s are 30. So multiply numerator and denominator by 5. Now multiply numerator. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. Now you can see children, these are like fractions. So now we compare the like fractions, that is 18 by 30 is smaller than 25 by 30. Is it right? As denominators are same, compare the numerators. So 18 is less than 25. So that what you understand? That is 3 by 5 is less than 5 by 6. Next one. First method is find the LCM of 9 and 7. So if I take 9 and 7, both are in different table. So start with 3. 3 3s are 9. 7 remains the same because it is not divisible by 3. Next 3 1s are 3. 7 remains the same. Next 7 1s are 7. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 7s are 60. 3 is the LCM. What is the LCM? 63. Now what you have to do is first consider the first fraction 2 by 9. So 2 by 9. 9 how many are 63 children? 9 7s are 63. So multiply numerator and denominator by 7. 2 7s are 14. 9 7s are 63. Next consider the second fraction 3 by 7. 3 by 7 multiplied 7 how many are 63? 7 9s are 63. So 9 3s are 27. 7 9s are 63. So you can see these two are like fractions. Now you can compare. Now we compare the like fraction, that is 14 by 63 is less than 27 by 63 because as denominator same, compare the numerators. So 14 is less than 27. Take this sum as assignment and try it by yourself. So 3 by 10 and 3 by 4 by LCM method. So first you have to take the LCM of 10 and 4. Then you have to convert into like fractions. Then you have to compare. Our only aim is converting the unlike fraction into like fraction and comparing. Now compare the following pairs of fractions. Here you can see the first number is in term of mixed number. So you know how to convert a mixed number into improper. So first multiply, then add. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 by 2 and 5 by 2. Now take the LCM of, here no need to take the LCM because we have like fraction itself. 11 by 2, 5 by 2. You can compare by cross method also, or you can directly compare this fraction. So here we have 11 by 2, 5 by 2. So as denominators are same, compare the numerator. So which is greater, children, 11 or 5? Yes, 11 is greater than 5. So 11 by 2 is greater than 5 by 2. Next one, 9 by 7, and now convert the mixed number. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 2, 9 by 7. Here we have same denominators and same numbers also. Numerator also same, denominator also same. So both the fractions are equal. Next, 19 by 7, and first convert the mixed number, children. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. So here we have different denominators. So you can apply the cross multiplication method or LCM method. Which you feel easy, you can apply. I am going to apply the cross multiplication method. So now start cross multiplying. 6 19s are 104, and 7 13s are 13 7s are is 91. Now children, you tell me 114 is greater or 91 is greater? Yes, 114 is greater. 14 is greater than 91. So which fraction is greater, children? 19 by 7 is greater than 13 by 6, because we all know 114 is greater than 91. Now first convert the mixed number, children. So here we have 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19 by 4 and 20 by 5. Now 19 by 4, we have different denominators, children. So convert by cross multiplication or LCM method. So 5 19s are 19, 5s are 95. So next 4 20s are 80. Children, which is greater? 95 is greater or 80 is greater? Yes, 95 is greater. So obviously 19 by 4 is greater than 20 by 5, because 95 is greater than 80. I hope children you have understood today's class.